Alright guys, this is a little video of what I'm going to show. This is how the wheels come. They come with this plastic thing sticking out, and this is what we're shooting for, knocking it off to make it fill in the wheelbase. How I do that is with a grinder. Look at that. Simple, easy, and working it off just like that. Let's see if we can do it. Tear it down a little bit. It ain't the best, but it will do. It's not going to get caught up in the base. Maybe I might take down just a little bit, but that'd be alright. There you go, guys. That's how you do it. What's going on, Dad Son Collects? We are back with a video today. I'm going to be doing a wheel swap. I showed y'all a little bit earlier in the video how I got these straightened out because they come with some little things on there. Took these from the cartooned vehicles, and I'm going to be throwing these purple ones that I've seen on H-Town diecast that people have been doing and wheel swapping these. Now it may have happened somewhere other places, but this is the first time I saw it was on that Facebook channel. Page, excuse me. But yeah, let's check it out. So first thing I gotta do is I want to take it out. I want to be able to put it back in there, and I was thinking about just like, I don't know, having it, you know, out and displayed or whatever, but I was like, you know, it'd be pretty cool to put it back in there. So what I want to do is I want to be able to take the glue like I've been seeing everybody do and loosen that adhesive that's all around here. So you got to get 100% acetone. Okay, that's the main ingredient right there. My wife had some, but it was non, so I went to go get some from the store, and yeah, let's check it out. Okay. Alright. Now, from what I see, they get it on there pretty good. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Easily. Instantly, guys. Instantly. Oh, let's get her. Let's get her. Oh, look at that. Wow. Instantly, guys. I put a good coating on there. I'm not going to lie. I feel like maybe it's too hard. But we'll see. We'll let it dry out. It feels like it dries pretty fast, so we'll see what happens. Yes. Man, that is a beaut, ain't it? Look at that. Oh, she's so sweet. I love this variation. That is a beautiful, beautiful variation. You ought to check out Kato trucks, guys. The hood opens, the back. It's all pretty neat, man. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Look at that. I was fixing to put this up. Look at that. See how it dries out pretty fast? It's a lot of alcohol based right there. Okay. Now, the rivets. We gotta cut. We gotta hit these rivets right here. Okay. I did learn that this rivet is shorter than this rivet on these trucks. It's like this is a deeper screw or deeper rivet, and this is a shorter rivet. What I'm gonna be using today will be. This is an 1/8 inch, and this is, excuse my fingers, man. I got all kinds of stuff all over my fingers today. This is a one smaller, so I think maybe a 5/32. You can see the difference in that. So I have a Dremel tool that I like using for different things, but I'm not going to use the Dremel tool. I'm actually going to be using a drill. Shout out Makita. It's one of my old work drills that I retired.
Yeah, we just get to it. Take your time, guys.
Okay, see, it's going down. Now I'm gonna pop that top, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch it to the 1/8 inch, and I'm gonna hit that right on the top to pop that off. But I'm gonna finish it out. I'm gonna finish it out with this one right here.
Okay, see the same for this one. I did got my drill on Roy also, so.
Okay, I'm gonna switch that out. Put the other bit in there.
Just hit the top of that right there.
She is apart. Now, those right there, I would, okay. All right, for these right here, I'm using this little, it's a little cutter, and I'm just gonna hit those.
Right there. Okay, see how it opens up? Take that out. Same thing with this one.
It's just a little Dremel. I saw what it did, it just opened it up. Bloop. There you go. Takes it apart, right? Okay, now we're gonna put this truck back together. Here's our wheel swap. Oh, you see the problem? So the problem is it's acting like it don't want to go down on the wheelbase because these wheels want to push down all the way. So I gotta eat that out a little bit more because that's stopping me. Best way to do it, I'm gonna switch this out. There we go. That's gonna be it right there, and I'm gonna hit it with this bad boy right there. Oh yeah, sitting a lot lower, that's for sure. Alright, let's check it out. See what happens. Yep, that sits a lot better now, guys, for sure. I might have to drop that back a little bit more. Didn't act like it was liking that. So, Mom.
What are you doing?
Fixing my car. My truck.
You're getting like
Alright, guys. Now that we got it flat and complete, now it's time to put this bad boy together, okay? It's going to be right there. That's where we're going to connect her.
So guys,
Let's see. There. Alright, guys, now that I got my screws, that's what I'm going to be using right there. These are pretty short, so I had got my screws and I had to cut these down because I had some bigger. They were a little bit bigger. Oh yeah, here we go. So I did cut it down a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop a little Loctite in there and make sure they get fastened in well. And there you go. She had a little mess up already though. Now, I'm gonna throw a little bit of glue on there, guys, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go back on my daughter's nail glue, so that's what I'm gonna use. Just a couple of dabs. There you go, guys. Alrighty, guys, that's pretty much it right there. Y'all let me know in the comments section if y'all like this wheel swap or not, and if y'all want part 2 of the Matchbox. Till then.